my goodness. Sydney, what did you do? What is over here? What is this? Oh no. Oh no. Give that to me. Thank you. Uh-oh. Get that out of your mouth. Yuck. Hey, quit doing that. You're making a big mess. Oh, no. Sydney, say no, no. Sydney, no, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I'm going to send this to Grandma, Grandpa, and your dad. I'm showing them what you did. You're in big trouble. You're grounded. I'm taking away your car. I'm taking away your car and your cell phone. That's it. You're grounded. Sydney, what do you have to say for yourself? Huh? You say sorry. You little stinker. It's not funny. Why are you laughing?